Hello everyone, welcome back with new video on Java programming. In the last video, we have seen type of operators in Java. In this video, we are going to see how to execute Java program using command prompt. For that, start Notepad++ or Notepad. Then we are going to write one simple hello world program in Java. For that, public class hello world. Then for execution, we need to declare main method, that is public static void main with string arguments. Open and close curly brackets. Then just write one system.out.println for printing the hello world. In double quotes, we'll write our string hello world semicolon. Save the file. Remember one thing, class name and the file name must be same. That is, our class name is hello world, then file name also hello world. इसका रीजन ये है, when we start compiling, then the compiler search for the public class in that main method. So just remember that while compiling using command prompt, the file name and the class name should be same. That is, extension is .java. Then save the file. Then open the command prompt in our system. I saved the file at C drive under core Java workspace. So just go to directories back, then cd go to the core Java workspace. I am under the core Java workspace. Then we have the command for compiling the Java program. I already told in first video that for the compilation we use JDK, and JDK converts that .java file into .class file. That is, we are using the command javac for the compilation in the command prompt, that is javac, and our file name, that is hello world.java. Okay, then press enter. Here there is one error, that is package system does not exist. That is our spelling mistake. Here you can see the ES is missing. Again save the file. Again run the command. Same command. Here you can see the command is executed without any error. That is, our file is compiled. Here you can see at the same location for the hello world.java .class file is created. Then to see the output, we interpret it with the help of Java command. Java and our class name only, not extension. This is another one. Here, don't need to give the .class extension, only give the file name. Just press enter. Here you can see our output hello world is printed. I hope you guys all understand how to execute Java program using command prompt. Thank you so much for watching.